Hey guys, welcome back to a new Moosey video. Today we are back in Animal Company, and today we have Lil Sky 6 official right here. And today we are on Broke AF, and we're gonna be getting to $50,000 on Broke AF. So yeah, let's just get started. So I don't need a backpack.
We can't afford that.
Yeah, I mean, well,
The only thing that we can afford is a flashlight.
yeah, I know what to do.
Okay, get some sticks.
Yeah, I have 3 sticks. I have one on my back, and then yeah, I'm so.
Okay, let's go to sewers. Sewers is
Yes.
the best place to find pipes. And pipes. Get us.
Yeah.
It's free mining.
So we can get the nuts in here too. Get a ruby. That's it.
Well,
Oh
we
wait,
need
there's a
whole
fungus.
thing.
There's a fungus.
What does that mean?
Whoa! I see the fungus. I'm big.
Why is there a snail?
Wait, there's a. Wait, you can get the chubbier snail thing. The snail. Oh, dude, we're good. Okay, we got it. I found. You can get the snail. Wait, dude, let's head back to the spawn.
I can't, I'm in the second part. No more.
Okay. It's a mimic.
I'm about to get slimed out now.
Okay, he's stuck. Oh, it's slimed him out too. Okay. Oh, I got a grenade.
Use
Wait,
it on
there's a ruby over here. There's a ruby.
Use it on all.
Oh, we got a stupid pipe bomb, dude. I got another ruby. Oh, we need to find a pipe.
We got a
dude.
Loki camp here and wait for the bombs. Okay, let's go back in here. Let's see if the bombs respond in here.
Yeah. I hear one.
Oh, I heard one.
Shoot. Wait, get back! Oh, Dookie. Wait.
Uh-oh, maybe. Are you throwing gold bars at it? How is that actually hurting it?
I don't know.
Take these back, take them back, take them back.
Oh, I need to launch stuff at the mimic to kill it.
Well, you can hit it with gold bars?
No, you can. I'm launching stuff at him.
You gonna slime me, bro?
I hear him. Chat. I'll get him over here. Slimed him out. Okay, we're good. Oh, that's good. Should probably buy a backpack. Not over here.
Where are you?
Dude, not over here. Go back. Go back.
I don't want to be bald anymore.
Over here. Come over here. Not over here.
I'm coming.
Other way.
Those are oddly shaped. Those are oddly shaped.
Good. Let's go. Oh.
Okay, where?
Yeah, so, yeah, through here. Then we have to wait for red light, green light. Okay, we can go. Yeah, now we have to climb all the way back up.
Oh.
Ah!
Don't die.
No! Okay. Made it up.
Made it up.
I already have 1,000, dude.
What?
Yeah.
I only have 769. Did you say the amount that we were gonna be getting?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did. We're getting 50K. Also, I don't want to...
It's not a very hard challenge.
I know. That's... Well, next, we're gonna get 100K, so...
Okay.
Yeah.
I hate being bold.
There we go. Okay. So, I think we should get a big backpack. We get a big backpack, and... I'm also
I get a
gonna
pickaxe.
Yeah, also, I'm gonna get the cool looking pickaxe. Alright, yeah, we gotta go back down.
Hold on.
Alright, let's go back down sewers and collect everything we got.
Okay. I hear something.
Is that the mimic? The secret of the mimic?
I heard like a growl.
That's the worm! So, you wanna, like, hit the mimic for me?
No.
Like, kill it?
No. We need to find this worm.
We have to go over here, dude.
Okay, wait. I got.
Why do birds suddenly appear?
Over here. Okay, lock in.
Okay, dude.
Okay.
Every time that you turn a corner. Oh, the worm's right there. Just stay
Kill
away
it,
from over
or...
there. No, just stay away. Keep in mind here.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I just got slowed down! We should get past
Right
him.
around the corner. Is he behind the corner?
No, he's not there. Oh, give me a sec. Yeah, he's
Where?
not there.
Hey, come on.
Oh, yo, we haven't been here in so long, dude.
Sprint to the end.
Yeah, sprint. Oh, wow, that was easy.
Is there no monsters in here? Oh no!
I don't think there
I saw
is.
Angie Boy. I saw Angie
Oh.
Boy.
Okay. Alright. We only got... Is that
After
all
this, we're
though?
gonna go lava crystal mining, right?
Yeah. Wait, should we do the boss to get those lasers?
Nah.
Oh, we got
Work.
like, I got 15K. That's good.
Let's get a grappling.
Yeah, hey, grappling.
I don't need that thing. I don't know why. Okay, grab a. Wait, can I buy one off Goop Inventions? Goop Inventions work.
Oh, they do?
Okay, grab you a bag. Grab your bag. Grab your bag. Grab your bag. Grab your bag.
Only one of them should close.
What are you talking about? Give me this.
Yeah,
Give me this.
only one. Only one close.
Give me it.
Oh, never
Oh,
mind.
there you go. Okay, come on.
Okay, guys, we're like speed.
I'm a strawberry, 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 strawberry.
I'm here. Ow. Okay, guys, now we're finally back. So, let's sell.
I'm a strawberry, 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 strawberry.
Okay.
Let's go.
So guys,
Let's
this
see
is how I keep a million. This is how I keep a million. Hard work, chat.
Yeah. And
I got 88K.
I got 78K. So, alright, guys. So we beat the challenge, as you can see on my watch. Yeah, I have 94K, almost twice our initial goal. So, guys, if you guys enjoyed watching, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, guys.
And check out my channel.
Yeah, check out Little Sky 6 Official's channel, and we'll see you
Why
guys
is
in
your voice
another. Okay, yeah, bye, guys.